Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Oh, I love hide and seek. Yes, over here. You can't find me,
Where are you, Phoebe? Where is she?
No peeking, Fizzy.
No, I'm not peeking, Phoebe. Okay, seeking in 3, 2, 1, go!
Fizzy, look!
I am looking, and I found you, by the way.
No, look at the crayon. What are we gonna do?
Maybe we should open them all.
Oh, okay.
Go on, try the red one.
Okay.
Ooh. I'll knock the others. Oh no! And the yellow one?
This is a disaster!
Don't worry, Phoebe. Let's ask some friends for some help. Branch, Poppy.
Oh, hey, friends!
Whoa, cool crayons!
Well, Phoebe accidentally knocked over a crayon, and there was no color inside.
Yeah. There was no color inside. And I said, oh, Fizzy, what are we gonna do?
Phoebe, I'm telling the story.
Oh, I want to tell it.
Oh, Phoebe.
We're forgetting the true mission. We need to restore all the colors back.
Miss Hands, I think we are going to need a hand.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Oh, what happened here? We have a whole load of empty crayons. Oh, don't worry though, I have a super cool way to fill them up.
Miss Hands, you forgot to fill up the bowls with colors.
Oh, don't worry, Poppy. We're gonna mix our own.
Awesome!
Oh, Fizzy, look, we have colors.
Yes, Phoebe. These are primary colors.
Eh? What are primary colors?
I'm glad you asked that, Phoebe. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. And what makes them special is that we can mix them together to make any other color.
Cool! Can we each mix one?
We sure can, Poppy.
Oh, I want to mix red and yellow. Yellow and red. Oh, this is really exciting.
Well done, Phoebe. You just created orange. I'm gonna mix blue and yellow together. Okay, here goes. I'm gonna mix this blue and yellow together. Oh, this is fun. Hey, look, it's turning green. Oh.
Awesome job, Fizzy! You created green! I'm going to mix red and blue. Oh, I wonder what color it's going to be. Let's keep mixing. Wow. Oh, it's going brown. Oh no. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Wow.
Whoa, Poppy, you made indigo!
Ooh, I've had an awesome sauce idea.
Whoa, what is it, Phoebe?
We should add all these colors to a squishy and make a rainbow squishy.
I love that idea, Phoebe. That sounds super cool.
We have red, orange, yellow.
Yeah, and
Green, blue, and indigo. That means we're missing one.
Violet! I could make us violet.
Good idea, Branch.
Now, to make violet, we just want to take a little bit of our indigo and add some white.
What a great idea, Branch. Let's add some white. Here we go. So there we go. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Thank you, Branch.
And now we can add them all into a squishy.
So let's get started. We need to add our super stretchy, squishy skin. So we put it in here like that, in the middle, and stretch this. Whoopsie daisy, some another go. There we are, and we need to pump out all the air. There we go.
What about the colors?
Thank you for the reminder, Poppy. Now we can add in all of our colors.
Whoa, wait! The paint's gonna run together and ruin the squishy. We're gonna have to use something different, Miss Hands.
Oh, you're right, Fizzy.
Let's use some fizzy magic. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo busy bop.
Let's start with the first color of the rainbow, and that's red. Our second color is orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo. And violet. And now we just need to close it up and we can see our colored sand squishy. Look everyone, our rainbow sand squishy.
Wow, look at all these colors. Hey, let me see. I'll use my magnifying glass. Wow, look at the sand. And look at all the different layers. Whoa. Wow, so many different colors. Wow. I just love squishies.
This is awesome!
And we mixed all these colors ourselves.
This has been the coolest day ever!
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day. We will. See you next time.